In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, there's a bird known as the lyrebird, famous for its uncanny ability to mimic sounds. But did you know it can imitate the sound of a chainsaw? This feathered mimic can replicate not just other birds, but also camera shutters, car alarms, and even human voices. Scientists believe this talent evolved to impress potential mates and ward off rivals. Imagine a bird singing a chainsaw symphony. Next time you hear a strange sound in the forest, it might just be a lyrebird. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.